Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's quick video, I am going to show you what is TPM 2.0, why you need TPM 2.0 for your Windows devices, and how to check if your PC has TPM 2.0, and how to enter on BIOS in Windows 11, and finally how to enable or disable TPM 2.0 from the BIOS. First, let's understand what is TPM 2.0. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a small chip or firmware on your motherboard that stores cryptographic keys securely. TPM 2.0 is used for security features like BitLocker, Secure Boot, Windows Hello, and encryption. Microsoft requires TPM 2.0 for Windows 11 installation and for enhanced security in Windows 10. If your PC doesn't have TPM 2.0, you might not be able to install Windows 11 officially. Now let's go through few quick methods to see if TPM 2.0 is available, enable or disable on your PC. The method one is to check TPM Management Console. In the Run dialog box on your PC or your computer, type tpm.msc and press enter. A window will open called Trusted Platform Module Management. If it says TPM is ready for use and specification version is 2.0, then you have TPM 2.0 enabled. If it says compatible TPM cannot be found, then TPM is either disabled or your PC doesn't have it. Now in the second method, please go ahead and navigate to Device Manager of your computer or laptop, expand Security Devices, and if you see Trusted Platform Module 2.0, you have TPM 2.0 enabled. If you don't see it, TPM may be disabled from your BIOS. Now in the next step, let's quickly go ahead and see first how we can go to Windows BIOS by using Windows settings and then check the TPM status. At your Windows computer or laptop, please go ahead and type settings. In the settings menu, please navigate to system and then we have to navigate to recovery. In the recovery, we could see here advanced startup option that will restart our PC, and I will show you how we can get to BIOS setup directly to check the TPM status. Now let's go ahead and click on restart now. It's giving us a caution that if you have unsaved work, make sure to save it before continuing. Okay, I have restarted it now. After your PC restarts, just go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Option, UEFI Firmware Setting, and then again restart. Now your PC will boot again straight into the BIOS setting. Here, let's go ahead and press F10 to enter the BIOS setup. And in my BIOS setup, I could go to Security tab, and here I can check all of the status for my TPM device, either it's enabled, available, or disabled. I could go ahead and enable or disable it. Now let's see the last option to enter the BIOS for TPM. Just go ahead and restart your PC. As soon as it starts booting up, repeatedly press the correct key shown on the screen. For most brands, Dell or HP, press F2 or Escape or F10. For ASUS, MSI, and Gigabyte, press Delete or F2 or look for the message like press Delete or F2 to enter the setup. And once you are in the setup, under security, you could see all the status for your TPM enabled, disabled, or available. And if you have a desktop PC and your motherboard has a TPM header but no TPM chip installed, you could go ahead and buy a TPM 2.0 module separately. Check your motherboard model on the manufacturer's website to confirm the compatibility. Then plug the module into a TPM header. Once installed, you can enable it in the BIOS as I just showed. And that's all about today's quick video on TPM 2.0. I hope you like this video. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.